At this time, I would like to introduce the band. And I'm sure everybody was happy with the band. Don't you guys? Everybody? Did you like that band? And on the keys, the youngest of the band. On the keys next to me, on my left side, the youngest of the band, Jerry. Jerry, give it up, Jerry. Give it up for Jerry, give it up for Jerry. Everybody, give it up for Jerry. And now, on the bass, Mr. Bass, Mr. Edward. Mr. Edward, give it up for Give it up for Edward, give it up for everybody. And now, let me take my time to introduce the queen, the only queen of the band. She sang and she played the keys. At this time, let's give it up for Miss Danielle. Danielle. Give it up for Daniel, give it up for Daniel. That was nice, right? That was nice. And at this time, I would like to introduce my brother from another mother. We've been playing for more than 10 years together. The drum. Give it up for Fekia Joseph. Give it up for the drum. And All together we WAYZ MIZIK. Everybody, sing with me. Way up, way up, way and of course, me on the guitar, lead vocal, part solo, and it was an honor for me tonight, guys. Kowi, thank you so much for the invitation, and I hope everybody enjoyed the band. Thank you so much, Vida. I wish you long life, health, everything. Thank you so much, everybody. One more time. Where you? Where you? Where Thank you so much.